I saw where our brother, Honorable Benjamin Kalu, the third man in Nigeria. You understand what I'm saying? He's talking about him contesting, for governorship election in Abia State. And he said that he never picked ticket, and some people are beginning to bash him on social media. You understand me? But if he eventually and he decided to run, then nobody will win him. But let me tell you people this. You see, as it stands now today in Abia State, Honorable Benjamin Kalu will not defeat Alex Otti. Do you understand me? It's not matter of sharing people bag of rice, sharing money, sharing gifts because of Christmas. And I hear that you also donated 1 billion. I hear where you are saying 1 billion, no, maybe 1 million. Do you understand me? It does not end to that. You get my point? As it stands now, any opposition, any other governorship candidate wey wan, try make maybe you are just trying to create awareness. Do you understand what I'm saying? For me sef, I dey suggest make you always spend 24 years, that 24 wasted years from other politicians. Make Alex Otti spend them. At least make una see wetin be leadership. Make una see how government that have vision dey work. Do you understand what I'm saying? And our brother is claiming that if he decided to contest and nobody will win him, try Alex Otti now, may we see. For me, Alex Otti will still go for second tenure. You see that 8 years of Ojo Kalu, 8 years of Theodi Oj, 8 years of Okezi Bazu, that they couldn't do anything. Do you understand me? And last time I did hear say Alex Otti restore power plant, electricity for how many community the other day. And he's building also Gaddafi transportation system. So at least ndị Igbo na-awapụta sị that na-afụ n'anya ekwe nọ n'isi ahụ ka esi ama ụtọ nshi ka hụnahụna dị etu a ka ka hụnahụna ya adị nọ nke ahụ mụ na gị na-abụ na-afụ n'anya ka iji n'aka ọ bụrụ by mainly ife a na-akọ n'ọnụ, no be by mouth. So as it stands down, none of you will feel defeat Alex Otti. Think this thing get into on a skull. None of una go feel defeat Alex Otti. Police now Abia people just decided maybe they go back to that ancient days where Ojo Kalu, Theodi Oj, and the Okezi Bazo take the governor. Do you understand me?